If you didn't know, my budgies, Raven and Chirpy, had babies in November. So they're now 6 weeks old. These are the ones that are left. Got the little yellow one, a bluish green and yellow, and a white one. And then he's been eating carrots, so it's a bit dirty. And this one over here is going to my little cousin. And when they were around 7-8 weeks old, this little yellow one went to its new home. This is footage of the first time that it got put in its new cage at its new home. His name is Frankie, and he now belongs to my little cousin Lockie. Thankfully, he only lives a few streets down from me, so I still get to see him lots.
Check these out, find my lucky Frank. It's so cute.
To interview you, Lockie. I have a few questions about your bird, Frank. So you've had Frank for a couple of weeks now. How has it been having a new bird?
Cool.
Or what else do you have to say about Frank?
He's a cool bird and she's at my nan's.
Put your name.
Yeah. I'm running right before sleepover too.
Oh, cool.
And his second name is Frankenstein.
Does he know any cool tricks?
Yes.
Like what?
Like acrobatic, like going up onto the top of the cage and then flipping back over.
Pretty cool bird you've got. Okay, bye.
Bye.